How much cash were you looking for on it?
I was looking at least like 2, if you can do that.
Do you don't like them? Or they don't fit you?
It's not my color.
Not your color?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're pretty bright, huh?
Yeah.
You do 180?
Pretty set on 2. Yeah.
I'll do 190.
Okay, let's do that.
That's good.
Yeah.
In that deal, we bought his Starfish Jordan 1 lows for $190. Some babies.
Yeah.
Cute. Someone just brought in the little tiny baby Yeezys too. Oh my gosh.
So I had mentioned someone on email. I emailed you.
Okay.
So I brought some of them and some of them already did.
Okay. How long ago were you emailing?
Like last week.
Okay. Did we already offer on them?
Some of them, yeah, but I didn't get a breakthrough. So I think you guys didn't get back to me on time.
What's your name?
Moses?
M-O-S-E-S?
M-O-I-S-E-S.
There's a few people that handle the emails, so.
Okay.
You want to just go one by one?
Yeah.
And then we can just do it that way. How much did you want on the CPFNs?
So I was looking for 800.
Okay, it'd probably be around like 580.
580?
Yeah.
Can you do 590?
Yeah, I could do that.
Okay, perfect.
These ones, the baby ones. Everything's brand new, right?
Yeah, everything's DS except some of them. I think Yeezys and some Jordan
used,
5s.
okay.
Yeah.
These ones would be at 140.
Can you do 150 on those?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. I was at 400 on those.
Okay. Size 9.
Yeah, everything's size 9 except... No, I believe everything's size 9 except the court purple.
Okay, we'd be at 340 on the rubber dogs.
340? You do 350?
I'd just be at 340 on these
340?
ones.
Alright, that's fine. Headband? How much is the headband?
Which one?
Supreme.
90.
90 $90? Not 14 right now. Where's Moscow? I watch you guys.
He's hidden some.
all the time.
Appreciate it, man. We'd be at 140 on the patinas. Those ones I'm pretty firm because they're going for like 160.
Yeah, that's fine. You already did these?
No, we haven't done these ones yet. I'd be at 110 on the court purples.
Can you do 120 on those?
That's fine.
Alright. That was 150 on the lean.
Okay, I might hold off on those ones, but
Alright.
these ones are new or used?
Yeah, new. DS. I have the receipt there and everything. And that was 550 on those.
Be at 475 on these.
Can you do 5?
I could do 480.
490.
That's fine.
Alright.
They're used or new?
New. I tried one on,
Okay.
but I used towel underneath, so. But I did try one on. I was looking 570.
I could do 5.
5. I think I'll hold on to those.
Okay.
And those I wanted, I was looking for 550.
You do 450?
Can you do 5?
475?
I kind of want it 490?
That's fine.
Alright.
These ones just tried on too?
No, those I never tried on.
I'd be at 50 on these.
Alright, can you do 70?
I'd just be at 50.
Alright, that's fine. And these are tried on by my daughter.
Retail, 60?
No, I was looking for a little more.
How much?
Probably like 120.
We do 80.
Can you do 100?
Thank you. Do 90?
I'll stick with 100. Not a whole.
Okay, we can come back then.
Alright. These are used.
I just did 100 on these.
That's fine.
How much do you want on these?
Was whatever you were offering, basically.
Oh, like $70.
That's fine. How much should we do on the wings?
That one's
two
a
off-
little bit harder to sell.
Yeah. Just shoot me an offer and then we'll go from there.
Size 8. Probably like 100.
100? Okay, I'll hold on to these, and if you do this for 100, I'll let them go.
What can you do for these two if I take both?
650? So I want 100
620.
and 550 for these.
620?
No, I think I'm pretty firm. It's because these are, I don't know, I'm not sure. But if you do give me the 650, I'll do it.
You throw these in for 100?
No, I'm gonna hold on to these.
Okay, I'll take these for 650.
Alright, perfect. If you do these for 120, I'll throw them in. That way I don't take anything back.
I'll take them for 100, but...
Alright, that's fine.
100?
Yeah. So if you give me store credit and
Yeah. So cash is $33.90. And if you want store credit, I could do like 36.
Do I have to spend it all? Store credit?
Um,
Like buy each one or some item?
it's gonna like, depending how much you use, you
Yeah.
can work it out.
Okay.
But if,
Oh, let me have a look around and then we'll go from there.
sounds good.
Yeah?
Yep. In that deal, he sold his pairs above for $2,800 plus a pair of dead stock off-white black Air Max 90s. How are you?
Pretty good.
Is the X?
These are warm. The laces are in the bottom.
Okay. Did you get them from Sneakers?
No.
Where'd you get them?
Resell.
How much do you want one?
Can you just give me both
Yeah.
prices?
Just cash or store credit?
Cash.
Probably 2 on these and 3 on the mochas.
Could you do 515?
I just got 5. Is that cool?
Yeah.
In that deal, we bought these 2 pre-owned pairs of shoes for a total of $500. Great. I got some good Thai food back there. My mouth is on fire.
That's pretty good. Pretty good. Not bad.
These are nice. These ones are new too?
They were tried on.
How much did you want for all 3 of them?
For all 3, I would say.
Or we can go one by one if that's... Oh, I got a handy dandy calculator right here. Can you do 250 on these?
250. Can you do 270?
260? That's cool. 280 on the PSG.
Can you do solid 3?
Yeah, I could do that. 120 on these.
Sure.
So 680 for all 3. In that deal, we bought these 3 pairs of shoes for a total of $680.
They are not worn, just relaced.
Brand new.
Yep.
It's good.
So you want the black one? I'm not sure if you have it size. Right now.
Oh, yeah.
270 on these.
Are you able to do 280?
No.
And then the Air Max would just be at 100.
So you want that one I showed you?
In that deal, we bought these 2 brand new pairs of shoes for $380.
Alright guys, that is a wrap for today's episode. We've got a nice pile behind us. T and I will give you guys a recap of everything we bought today.
Yeah, we got a lot of good stuff today, guys. Dead stock size 9 University red off-white Dunk, some of the OGs now. I got a brand new pair of the CPFM Vapor Maxes,
Love that shoe.
size 10.5 women, 9. Anastasia liked this shoe, I think. I'm not a huge fan of it, but another brand new pair, the Stussy Fossils. These are in a size 9. Very clean pair. Size, what is this? Size 10, 2012 white cement 4. Got some smaller Yeezys down here. Got some other little kid shoes down here.
These are so cute. Off-white 90s in the Desert Ore colorway. These are a size 10C. Kids flexing on everybody with these.
Flexing.
These are so cute.
Another one, Bread Yeezy. These are in a size 9 kids. Another cute one, UNC Dunk. Got some black ones. Some off-white sales. These are size 9C.
What else we got? We've got a couple bait pieces. We've got a shark camo hoodie here, and then the slides to match. What else? We have a reflective pair of size 9.5 black Yeezys.
Got an off-white pine green Dunk. This one's pre-owned, size 8. New pair of the Starfish Jordan 1 lows. These are really nice. Really, really nice. Gotta get me a pair of those.
What else? We got dead stock Travis 6s up here. We've got the 88 Dunk Contest white cement 3s, size 11.5, pre-owned on these guys. Good stuff, guys.
Yes.
Whip it back around. Wah!
Alright guys, that is going to be the end of today's episode. Thank you for tuning in, being in the shop with us today. We're going to go get some Korean barbecue tonight. We may
Our
film
favorite.
it. Maybe not. You guys have seen it already, so. But yeah, if you guys are not already subscribed, please hit that
subscribe button. Don't forget everything we showed you, thesneakcity.com. Go shop, go buy yourself something nice. But for now, we out.